So yun, good day no. So for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is kung sino yung kauna-unahang 4-star general rank na nanggaling o gumraduate sa PNPA o Philippine National Police Academy. Okay no, so as per the record, isa pa lang ang nakakuha ng 4-star general rank na nagmula sa PNPA. Okay? So before we proceed, no, pasadahan muna natin kung ano ba yung PNPA. So PNPA, Philippine National Police Academy, was established on August 26, 1977 and was tasked to provide tertiary level education for aspiring Filipinos to become officer of the three bureaus of the Department of Interior and Local Government. So ano ba yung mga under ng DILG? Ito yung PNP, Philippine National Police, BJMP, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, and also BFP, Bureau of Fire. So dito sa PNPA, candidates attend a 4 years tertiary education course, no? So parang 4 years course din siya, no? Allowing them to earn a Bachelor of Science degree in Public Safety. So pag graduate ka ng PNPA, ang kurso mo is Bachelor of Science degree in Public Safety, no? So sa PNPA, once graduate ka dito, automatically you will have the rank of lieutenant, okay? So pwede ka nga mamili dito sa tatlong bureau ng DILG. So sa PNP, BJMP o BFP. Okay, sa PNP, pag yun ang pinili mo, you will have the rank of police lieutenant. Okay? Kung ang pinili mo naman ay sa jail, you will have the rank of jail inspector, no? Katumbas din yan ng lieutenant. And then sa BFP naman, you will have the rank of fire inspector. Okay? Ang sinasabi kong first 4-star general rank na galing sa PNPA o gumraduate sa PNPA ay walang iba kundi si Gerald Q. Bantag. So galing sa ng Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. So ang rango niya doon is Jail Senior Superintendent. He was assigned as the new Director General of the Bureau of Correction from September 20, 2019 up to October 21, 2022. So dito kay Bucor, no, o Bureau of Correction, pwede ka lang dito ma-assign as Undersecretary o yung Director General, which is equivalent to 4-star general rank. It is appointed by the President with the recommendation of the Secretary of Department of Justice. Okay? So Bantag attended the Philippine National Police Academy o yung PNPA, ito nga sinasabi ko kanina, where he graduated as part of Kaagapay class of 1996. Okay? So Bantag has served as jail warden in Parañaque, Manila, Malabon, Navotas, and Valenzuela. Later, no, he also headed the BJMP regional office in Mimaropa. Okay? Bantag, no, was designated as Director General of the Bureau of Correction of Bucor by the President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, okay, on September 17, 2019. He took oath as Bureau Chief 3 days later on September 20, okay. So si Bantag, nagkaroon ulit siya ng appointment, okay, no, on March 4, 2022 by the President Duterte. He would take oath again on March 8, 2022. Bang ibig sabihin bakit nagkaroon siya ng pangalawang reappointment, okay, no? So his reappointment meant that he would serve as Bucor Chief even after Duterte presidency expired, okay? So he will continue as Bucor Chief o Director General ng Bucor kahit ang nakupong presidente na ay si President Bongbong Marcos na, okay? So si Gerald Q. Bantag served as Director General of Bureau of Correction from September 20, 2019 to October 21, 2022. So in that, no, making him the first Igorot Cordilleran and graduate of Philippine National Police Academy to achieve a 4-star general rank. So yun lang, no, sana may natutunan tayo. Salamat sa panonood.